Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are looking at this table that shows the length of 50 rows. And Ajit presented the data using the following cumulative frequency curve. Point out the mistakes. Well, the first thing I see is that, how did he plot this point? Do you notice? This point here corresponds to 2 and 10. If I look closely, 4 and 14, 24, 4 and 24. Why 24? Because 10 plus 14, 6 and 35. Okay, 8 and 44, and he stopped short there. So right, should he have done this? No, because he did not consider the upper endpoints of the classes, meaning he did not consider the 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 actually. So instead he should have actually constructed the cumulative frequency table, because this table only shows the frequency table. So I repeat, this is a frequency table. And not a cumulative frequency table. Okay, so he needs to construct this first. That's the first mistake. Second mistake is that actually I could see that this is really important, that he did not touch the horizontal axis, this lower tail of the curve, which is here. Okay, usually for a cumulative frequency curve, it always touches the horizontal axis. Okay, it has to start from 0. Alright? Well, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.